Alright, so now that I've removed the push rod, I'll proceed with disassembling this master cylinder. Alright. Then I have to, as you can see, oh man, there's a hell of a lot of junk inside it. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but let's see. I'd like to get a bucket or something so that this oil doesn't go all over the place. Shit. There is a loop. Let's clean out this part. I don't want it so it should. I was hoping it would just tap out, but we might have to pressurize it with air. That's what the manual says you have to do to remove the secondary piston. Let's see if I can get this. I have to get this oil somewhere. In a jar, preferably. Perfect. Oh, it's coming. Maybe I can now just tap it out. All my tools are all over the place. That's a problem because I'm actually moving. So I'm just tapping it down, as you can see. And that tapping motion causes the piston to move forward, or towards the exit. Now let's see if I can find myself a pair of pliers. Screwdrivers now. piston out. I'm just gonna zoom in here and show you guys how much junk is inside that. So it's probably just clogged. The seals actually seem like they're fine. But I'd like to just replace them since they're already out, right? I have a rebuild kit. I'm not 100% sure it's for that master cylinder though. So that's how dirty that is. Check out the piston there. Oh, where did it go? There. There's the oil. Let's see brake oil there. Interesting though, the brake oil didn't, there was a little bit of normal engine oil, that's the clear one there. And it looks like they don't mix. But anyways, that's the master cylinder disassembly there, and I'm thinking that those holes there are clogged. These seals don't look like, it doesn't look like they're too bad. I just think that all this junk here. So as you can see, this side I cleaned it up. I cleaned up this side. And that side is, I didn't clean it. But we'll see, I'll probably just put that one in, or that one. We'll talk about that in the next video.